Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we turn fresh ingredients into fabulous meals, fast. Do you ever come home after a long day feeling tired and hungry and just want something quick, healthy, and absolutely delicious on the table? Well, this recipe is exactly what you need. Today I'm showing you the ultimate 15-minute stir-fry. It's fast, healthy, and packed with flavor. We're talking crisp, colorful veggies, tender, juicy chicken, and a savory, slightly sweet sauce that clings to everything beautifully. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a wok or a large skillet, a few everyday ingredients, and 15 minutes of your time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make one of my favorite go-to meals that's perfect for busy weeknights, impressing guests, or just treating yourself to some seriously good food. So grab your wok and let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's go over what you'll need for this stir-fry, which serves about 4 people. About 1 pound, 450 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast, thinly sliced into bite-sized strips. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, something with a high smoke point like canola, sunflower, or peanut oil. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, minced or grated. And the vegetables. Here's where you can have fun. I like to use 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1 yellow bell pepper, thinly sliced, 1 medium carrot, cut into thin matchsticks, 1 small broccoli crown, cut into florets, a handful of snap peas or snow peas for crunch, and about 2-3 green onions, cut into 2-inch pieces. For the sauce, and this is where the magic happens, you'll need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey or brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. This helps the sauce thicken and get glossy. Optionally, a sprinkle of sesame seeds and some fresh cilantro for garnish. Step 1, and this is absolutely critical when you're making a stir-fry, is to prep everything before you even turn on the heat. Stir-frying happens fast and you won't have time to chop things in between. So start by slicing your chicken into thin, bite-sized strips. Thinner strips cook faster and stay tender. If the chicken is slightly frozen, it's even easier to slice. Next, move on to the vegetables. Cut your bell peppers into thin strips, peel and julienne your carrot, break the broccoli into small florets. Trim the snap peas if needed, and cut your green onions. Keep all the veggies in separate bowls or on a big platter. They go into the wok at different times depending on how long they need to cook. Then mince your garlic and ginger finely. Now, let's mix up the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, honey, and the cornstarch slurry. Set it aside near your stove. Once everything is prepped and laid out neatly, you're ready to cook. This part should take you about 10 minutes, but it saves you a ton of stress later. And a quick tip. Keep a clean plate or bowl nearby for the cooked chicken to rest while you stir-fry the veggies. Okay, prep done. Let's move to the stove. Now that everything's prepped, heat your wok or large skillet over high heat until it's really hot. Add about a tablespoon of your oil, swirling it to coat the bottom. When the oil starts to shimmer, add the chicken in a single layer. Don't overcrowd the pan. Let it sear without moving it for the first 30-45 seconds to get some nice golden color. Then stir it around and cook for another 3-4 minutes, just until it's no longer pink. We don't need to cook it all the way through yet. It'll finish cooking in the sauce later. Once the chicken is browned, transfer it to a clean plate and set it aside. If the pan looks dry, add another ½ tablespoon of oil. And now, it's veggie time. Alright, with the chicken set aside, keep the wok on high heat. If necessary, add a little more oil. Start by adding the broccoli and carrots first, since they take the longest to cook. Stir-fry them for about 2 minutes, tossing constantly. Then add the bell peppers and snap peas. Stir-fry everything together for another 2-3 minutes until the veggies are crisp tender, cooked but still vibrant and slightly crunchy. Now push the vegetables to the sides of the pan, creating a little space in the center. Add another tiny splash of oil if needed, and toss in the minced garlic and ginger. Stir them for just about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to let them burn. At this point, your kitchen smells amazing. Garlic, ginger, and all those fresh vegetables sizzling away. Now return the cooked chicken to the wok. Give the sauce a quick stir. Cornstarch can settle at the bottom. And pour it over everything in the wok. The sauce will bubble and start to thicken almost immediately, coating the chicken and vegetables with a shiny, flavorful glaze. Toss everything together for another 1-2 minutes, making sure everything is coated and heated through. At this point, the chicken is fully cooked, the veggies are perfect, and the sauce is silky and irresistible. Turn off the heat and take a moment to appreciate how gorgeous this looks. Bright colors, glistening sauce, and an incredible aroma. All that's left to do is plate it up. Spoon some fluffy steamed rice onto each plate or into bowls, then pile that beautiful stir-fry on top. Sprinkle a few sesame seeds over the top, maybe a little chopped cilantro if you like. And there you have it, the ultimate 15-minute stir-fry. Fast, healthy, and absolutely packed with flavor. Look at those colors. Red and yellow peppers, vibrant green broccoli, tender chicken, and that glossy sauce. And it tastes even better than it looks. Savory, a little sweet, perfectly balanced. This is comfort food that's actually good for you, and ready in less time than it takes to order takeout. And there you have it, your new go-to weeknight dinner, quick, easy, healthy, and full of flavor. If you try this recipe, I'd love to hear what you think. Leave a comment down below and tell me how it turned out for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss another recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cooking!